Alright, boys and girls, this is the after our day of drifting video. I made a few passes. I've done some entry-level stuff, some donuts around some cones and some other things like that. Made a few laps. Then we took a kid with us, and he actually did really, really well. I'll give him props to that. He did really good for a young guy with no experience. I mean, like at all.
There was an incident with the 350Z, not from either one of us drifting. But it was wrecked and we are going to have to replace parts.
So, the radiator support is completely just gone. These things have a plastic radiator support, so it's gone. I don't know about the radiator just yet, but I do know the core is gone. Got a tail light busted, and I washed the car off on the trailer, and this is some of the aftermath off the bed of the rollback. She had some big clumps of mud on her. But all right, back to the drawing board on fixing the 350Z. We got I guess we're gonna need a radiator and a core support now. Rear end held up good for 5 minutes and then it was broke, but back to the drawing board. All right, so here is the aftermath. So what we got is the whole core support's busted. Radiator, fans broke loose from it. So we're gonna at least have to straighten the headlights up, get a core support, and a radiator. We can probably zip tie the fan, we can probably get away with that. So let's see. You can't see it from that angle. Let's go around here. Let's give you another view. Yep. She's injured. All right, so that's what we got going on with the 350Z. It's fixable. It's fixable. Probably, I'd say $250, $300. I should be able to fix it. That's the start of this expensive addiction. So there it is with the front piece off. The fan shroud busted up. The core busted up, radiator's busted all to pieces. So that's what we're on next, is putting it back together. We got to get the parts and then give it a once over and get it ready to go the next drift weekend. All right, guys, that's our video for today. If you will, stay tuned with us on YouTube here. Like, follow, subscribe, and then you got the little bell. That bell will give you a little ding, let you know that, hey, they've posted another video. So if you want to hit that bell, you can stay with us every time we put out a new video. And if you haven't watched some of our older stuff, kick back to some of that. So the more you guys watch, the more views we have, the more subscribers we have, the better off it is for us. That'll allow us to continue to bring you this content. So if you will, follow us on Instagram. We're there at Chesser Enterprises. If you'll hit us up on Twitter, Chesser Enterprises there as well. And if you ever need to email us for whatever reason, it's chesserenterprises@yahoo.com. Stay with us, guys. Hey, we appreciate you watching our videos, and there'll be more to come. Thank you, guys.